In today's digital world, we all juggle dozens of online accounts from social media to banking, shopping and work-related platforms. Remembering all those passwords is nearly impossible, and writing them down on sticky notes or in notebooks isn't secure. That's where a password manager comes in. It simplifies your digital life by securely storing all your passwords in one place. It's like a digital vault for your passwords, keeping them safe and easily accessible. You only need to remember one master password to unlock the vault, giving you access to all your other passwords. Think of it as a key master for your digital life, managing and protecting your credentials. It stores all your passwords securely, encrypting them to prevent unauthorized access. This way you don't have to remember each one, reducing stress and improving security. With a password manager, you can create strong, unique passwords for every account, enhancing your online security. This makes it much harder for hackers to break in, protecting your sensitive information from cyber threats. The internet can be a dangerous place, filled with various threats that can compromise your personal information and security. Cybercriminals are always looking for ways to steal your information, whether it's through hacking, phishing, or other malicious activities. One common tactic is phishing, where attackers send deceptive emails to trick you. This involves tricking you into giving up your passwords or other sensitive information by pretending to be a trustworthy entity. They might send fake emails that look like they're from a legitimate company, such as your bank or a popular online service. These emails often contain links to fake websites designed to steal your login details. If you enter your password on a fake website, it's gone, and the attackers can access your accounts. Hacking is another serious threat that can lead to significant data breaches. Hackers use various methods to gain access to your accounts, including exploiting software vulnerabilities and social engineering. They might try to guess your password or use sophisticated software to crack it, especially if your password is weak. If your passwords are weak or reused across multiple accounts, you're an easy target for these cybercriminals. Always use strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts to enhance your security. Password managers are your first line of defense against these threats. They generate strong, unique passwords that are difficult to crack. They also store your passwords securely, so you don't have to write them down or remember them. This eliminates the risk of someone finding your passwords. Most password managers offer additional features like two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. Even if someone steals your master password, they still can't access your accounts without the second factor. Section 4. Getting started, choosing and setting up your password manager. Choosing the right password manager is easy, but it requires some consideration. There are many reputable options available, both free and paid, each with its own unique features. Look for a password manager that is easy to use and offers strong security features such as encryption and two-factor authentication. Some popular options include LastPass, 1Password and Dashlane. Each of these has its own strengths and weaknesses. Do your research and choose the one that best fits your needs. Consider reading user reviews and expert opinions. Once you've chosen a password manager, setting it up is simple and straightforward. Download the app or browser extension and create an account by following the on-screen instructions. Then, start adding your passwords. You can import them from a file or enter them manually. The password manager will guide you through the process with helpful tips and tutorials. It's that easy. With a little effort, you'll have all your passwords securely stored in no time. Section 5. Mastering your passwords. Tips for strong and secure passwords. Creating strong passwords is crucial. A strong password is at least 12 characters long and includes a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols. Avoid using common words or phrases that can be easily guessed. Don't reuse passwords across multiple accounts. This is a common mistake that makes you vulnerable to hackers. If they gain access to one account, they can then access all your other accounts that use the same password. Section 6. Take control. Embrace a safer digital life. Using a password manager is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to protect your online life. It's like having a bodyguard for your digital identity. You can browse the web with peace of mind knowing that your passwords are safe. Don't wait until it's too late. Take control of your digital security today by using a password manager. Your online safety is worth it.